If you've got $1,000 sitting in a checking account right now, here's the uncomfortable truth. It's losing value as you watch this. Inflation is eating it, slowly, every single day. So let's fix that. I'm going to give you a simple, step-by-step roadmap for investing your first $1,000. No jargon, no risky bets, no finance degree required. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do. Before any of this, 2 quick guardrails. Skip them, and investing can backfire. First, a small starter emergency fund. Even just $1,000 set aside separately, so a surprise bill doesn't force you to sell investments at the worst time. If this $1,000 is your only safety net, that comes first. Keep it in a high-yield savings account. Second, high-interest debt. If you're carrying credit card debt at 20+%, paying it off is a guaranteed return no investment can match. Clear that first. Clear on both? Then let's put your money to work. Step 1. Open the right account. This trips people up. The account and the investment are 2 different things. The account is the container. The investment goes inside it. For most beginners, a retirement account like a Roth IRA is the powerhouse. Your money grows and, in many cases, comes out tax-free later. If you want full flexibility to access the money anytime, a standard brokerage account works too. Many people start with both over time. Opening one takes about 10 minutes online with any major low-cost broker. No minimum drama, no phone calls. Step 2. What to actually buy. And here's the relief. You do not need to pick stocks. Trying to guess individual winners is how beginners lose money. The beginner's gold standard is a low-cost index fund, specifically a total market or S&P 500 index fund. One purchase makes you a part owner of hundreds of the biggest companies at once. If one stumbles, the others carry you. You're buying the whole market instead of betting on one horse. 2 things to check. A low expense ratio, under about 0.1% is excellent, and that it's broadly diversified. That's it. Boring on purpose. Boring is what works. Step 3, the step that turns $1,000 into real wealth. Automate. Your first $1,000 is the seed. The growth comes from consistently adding. Set up an automatic transfer, even $50 or $100 every payday, straight into that same index fund. You'll never have to decide, or feel, or remember. It just happens. And turn on automatic dividend reinvestment, so every payout buys a little more. That's the compounding loop running on autopilot. $1,000 today plus $100 a month at historical market returns can quietly grow into 6 figures over a couple of decades. Step 4, and it's the hardest. Do nothing. Once it's set up, resist the urge to check it daily, react to scary headlines, or yank it out when markets dip. Markets fall sometimes. That's normal, not an emergency. The investors who win are almost never the cleverest. They're the ones who started early, kept adding, and stayed in their seats. Time does the work. Your job is patience. So there's the whole roadmap. Clear your guardrails, open the right account, buy a low-cost index fund, automate your contributions, and then let time do the heavy lifting. That's not a watered-down version for beginners. That's how a huge number of wealthy people actually built it. Your first $1,000 isn't about getting rich this year. It's about starting the engine. And the best time to start it is now. Remember, this is for education only, not financial advice. I'll drop beginner-friendly tools and the free net worth tracker in the description. Subscribe for the next step in your money journey. See you there.